gonna go over every, whoa. Whoa. What on earth just happened? What on earth?
Oh, the pin probably fell off because of the bumps.
But we had a safety pin in there.
Yeah. The safety pin probably fell off.
We'll hook up the hydraulics and put it down. What on
At least you
earth?
can have a man.
Come on. We're working, we're in a rush. And we have a guy coming to get hay. And then this happens. For Pete's sakes. You gotta be kidding me. Unbelievable. Never happened to me before in my 10 years of driving tractors. That's when I'm glad for push and pull out hydraulics. Because if that would have happened and you don't have that, the cords would have broke. Wow. Where's the pin?
I don't know why. That's what I said. If the pin probably.
What on earth? I want to find it because I want to know whether it snapped. It's got to be right over here. It's got to be. Oh, there it is. The pin's fine. The safety pin snapped off. That is crazy. Never happened to me in my whole career of driving tractors, which is like 10 years. When it's hot, nothing good happens.